Hello, if you want to create animated videos like this by using Canva, then stay with me and watch this video till end. Let's jump to Canva's homepage, go to the videos and select landscape format for this video. Go to elements and search for forest background. Go to graphics and choose any attractive image for your background. Let's choose this image. Now flip this image, click on flip horizontal and set this image as background of your video. Again go back to elements and search for road. Go to graphics. I'm choosing this one. Now adjust this road in such a way that it feels a road is passing through the forest. Again go to elements and search for grass. To make this scene more natural and realistic, I'm using grass as border. Let's choose this. Let's again jump to elements and search for bicycle. Now use this trick and choose Animating. Now go to graphics and here you can see all the objects are moving. So I'm choosing this. Okay, let's reduce the size and take it to the left side. As you can see, this object is moving, but it's not going anywhere. To make this object moving, let's use this trick. Go to Animate and click on Create an Animation. You can choose any path according to your video. Simply drag this image and take it where you want. For a smooth and natural looking motion, click on Steady. Let's make this scene more animated and go to Elements. Search for Rain. Go to Videos and choose any video. Let's choose this. Reduce the transparency and I'm keeping it 15 and drag this video and spread on the whole page. Now adjust this video in backward. First page of this video is fully animated. Let's create second page by using another method. Click on elements and search for nature background. Go to graphics. Now select this image as background of the video. Choose this method and go to apps. Search for Clippy. This app has variety of free stickers and short animated clips. Search for walking. Go to stickers. I'm choosing an animated line. Now flip this line and take it to the right side. Now use the same trick and go to animate. Click on create animation and drag the object to create a path. Simply press shift key and arrows to create a straight path. Again jump to Clippy and search for bird. Let's choose this flying bird. Reduce the size and take it to the left side. Now use the same trick to animate this object. Now I don't want this bird on the whole page, so use this trick and reduce the timing. Again jump to Clippy and search for butterfly. Let's choose this. Reduce the size and adjust it on the left side. And duplicate it. And use the same method to animate these objects. Click on create animation and create path of this object. As I don't want butterflies on the whole page, so simply reduce the duration Another animated page is also ready.